Now, I want to tell you real quick that we have a lot of features here at WebSpawner, but there may be some things we don't have. And for those things we don't have, we've got something you can use. And so you want to watch this very closely. You may want to add something that takes some code. If you want to do that, it's actually pretty easy. Let's go to Modules, okay? And you have all these options here. You're going to skip down all these. Let's make it easier. So let's sort of compress the menu here. And let's go to the advanced. What you're going to do here is you're going to take HTML code. Now you're going to drag a module onto your page that will allow you to add what they call embedded code. So if there's some code that you get from someplace, maybe it's a widget, it's something from Google, maybe something from Facebook, something, you're going to put it in these fields and then you're going to add it in, and that is exactly how you're going to put another element onto your page. Very, very easy to do. All right, let's talk about adding images to your WebSpawner site. You see where I have an image here on my Chuck's Hot Dogs page, and it is the Chuck's Hot Dogs logo here. We'll show you how to put that in there. We'll take it out first and then we'll put it back in, and so we'll show you how to remove the module. All you do is click on the X and it'll prompt you, do you really want to delete it? Yes. Now as you can see, this expanded from a column to a row. We're going to put this back to a column. We're going to put this on the left hand side right here, and the image is going to be right here on the right hand side. How do we get to the images and how do we drag the icon onto the page? Click Modules. You see Text and Forms here. We go down to Images and Video right below it. You see the image icon, and you're going to drag it onto the page. And what you're going to look for, and we're going to show you as we drag it on. Now, you see that blue line there? At the end of the blue line where it says row, we want to go this way, and we want to look for where it says column. You see where it says column right there? We're going to drop this into where it's going to be a column. So it's going to be on the right-hand side. We're going to choose an image. Now, you may have photos loaded into your WebSpawner site as we do. Now you may not have images, or you may want to choose something that's not in there, in which case you'll go to your computer and you'll upload an image. You'll go right to your directories and you can select an image from there. Here we will select this image and we will choose it, and you have options here now where you can align it to the left, to the center or the right of your module. You can add some alt text to it, and you can even attach a link to it. We're not going to do any of that stuff, but you can do it. And now we're going to click Add. You're going to see it as it shows up on the page. There it is, right there. Okay. So if you like it right there, you can click Save and save your work. But that's how easy it is to add images. And if you want to add more, you can add them underneath here. You can add them anywhere on the page you want. That's the versatility of the WebSpawner site and the WebSpawner interface. And you'll have a great time adding images to your site.